Hello and welcome back to Mackie's Signature Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make a rich, creamy, and refreshing Haitian style papaya juice. This tropical drink is smooth, naturally sweet, and incredibly easy to make. Let's get started with the ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of papaya, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, half a cup of cold water. First, remove the seed from the papaya with a spoon.
Just for you, from sunrise meals to late night bites, bringing flavor, bringing life. Every recipe made with heart right here is where the flavor
Then,
starts.
peel the skin and cut the papaya into bite size.
Where every meal is made with vision, from the spices to the flame. Every dish got its own name. Taste the love in every bite, cooking dreams day and night. Come together, take a seat in this kitchen. Life tastes sweet.
Add the papaya to a blender along with evaporated milk, sugar, cold water, pinch of salt, vanilla extract, cinnamon powder, ground nutmeg, and a few ice cubes if you like that extra cold.
Every plate feels just right. Simple food turned masterpiece.
One more bite, you can't resist. Welcome to Macuse signature kitchen, where every meal is made with vision, from the spices to the flame. Every dish got its own.
Now blend everything until it's smooth and creamy. Here's a little tip. Squeeze half of a lime. This helps reduce any bitter taste and give the juice a brighter, fresher flavor.
Recipe from the heart. Every flavor tells a tale.
Now my absolutely favorite part, serving. And just like that, this creamy papaya juice is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a refreshing treat on a warm day. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mackie's Signature Kitchen for more easy and flavorful Caribbean recipes every week. Thank you for watching. Voila. Enjoy.
Fresh for you. Taste the love, feel the heat. Every dish is a special treat.